Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a banner using canva.com. So let's get started. Go to Chrome, select your profile, then you can directly search canva.com or you can directly open from Google. After opening canva.com, you have to register with your account. For creating account, you can directly use your Google account. It will make a free account in few seconds. After logging in, you have to go to here to redesign. Now then shuffle this to click on this arrow again. After clicking on this arrow, you will see banner landscape. As you can see here, banner option, click on here. As you can see here, my banner is loaded. Now Canva offers you thousands of different templates for making your banner. It's totally free. For example, I want to create a banner for my environment project, so I will write environment. Now it will show me a different type of template suggestions, as you can see here. So I will choose this, for example. Now as you can see, a school event to prevent Earth Day, clean planet, and I can also change my text by double clicking on it. For example, sustainable Earth. You can minimize your text size by pressing this arrow. You can also change your text color by go to this and change your color to, for example, I want it red color, and that's it. Now you can see I can also customize my text place by moving the arrow from left to right. Now for downloading this, you have to go to share and click on download, and your uh, banner will be downloaded. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to create a banner for free on canva.com. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.